Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're improving balance and coordination through 15 gentle moves. Let's begin. First exercise. Sidearm swing step. Lightly in place while swinging both arms comfortably out to the sides. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your chest lifted, and let the arms move naturally with your steps. Land softly through each foot and stay tall, letting your whole body warm up gradually. Breathe with an easy, natural rhythm as you step and swing. This gentle start increases circulation, improves coordination, and prepares your body for the workout ahead. Three, two, one, rest. Side push, march. March in place while pushing one arm out to the side, then alternate arms with each step. Keep your posture tall and your shoulders relaxed as your arms extend, letting your feet land softly at a steady pace. Breathe comfortably throughout, letting each exhale match an arm push. This exercise gently raises your heart rate while improving shoulder mobility and balance. Three, two, one, rest. Palm push side step. Bring both palms together in front of your chest and take a comfortable breath in. As you exhale, press your hands forward while stepping one foot out to the side. Then return and repeat on the other side. Inhale as you gather your palms. Exhale as you press forward and step. The combination of arm presses and side steps improves coordination while encouraging better mobility through the hips and shoulders. Three, two, one, rest. Cross punch step back. Step one foot back while punching the opposite arm diagonally forward, then return and switch sides. Keep your chest open and rotate gently through your waist without forcing the movement. Breathe out as you punch and step back. Breathe in as you return. This cross-body pattern improves coordination, shoulder mobility, and core engagement. Three, two, one, rest. Cross step arm lift. Open both arms to your sides, then cross them overhead as one foot steps lightly behind the other. Return to center and alternate sides with steady control. Inhale as your arms cross overhead. Exhale as you return to center. Cross-stepping helps improve coordination, balance, and shoulder mobility. Three, two, one, rest. Cross step side push. Hold both hands in light fists and step one foot behind the other as you push your arms to the side. Return to center and alternate sides with a smooth rhythm. Breathe out as you step and push. Breathe in as you return to center. This coordinated movement improves body control and encourages smoother, everyday movement. Three, two, one, rest. Cross punch. Step one foot back while punching diagonally across your body. Return smoothly and alternate sides with gentle waist rotation. Breathe out as you punch and step. Breathe in as you return. This cross-body exercise improves coordination while strengthening the core and upper body. Three, two, one, rest. Forward step arm sweep. Step one foot forward as you gently lean from the hips and sweep both arms behind your body. Return to standing and repeat with the opposite leg in a smooth, controlled rhythm. Exhale as you step and sweep. Inhale as you return to standing. This flowing movement strengthens the legs, improves balance, and keeps the whole body active. Three, two, one, rest. Knee lift inward swing. Lift one knee toward your chest as both hands swing down and inward toward the raised leg. Lower gently and repeat on the opposite side with a smooth rhythm. Inhale as the knee lifts, exhale as you lower back down. This coordinated movement strengthens balance while keeping the whole body active. Three, two, one, rest. Heel curl, arm open curl. One heel toward your hips, then lower the foot as you open both arms wide to the sides. Alternate legs while keeping your movements smooth and controlled. Inhale as the heel curls up. Exhale as your arms open and the foot lowers. This exercise strengthens the legs while improving posture and upper body flexibility. Three, two, one, rest. Prayer side step. Lean your body slightly forward with your palms together in front of your chest. Step one foot out to the side, then return and continue with a gentle rhythm. Breathe evenly, exhaling as you step out and inhaling as you return. This gentle sidestepping exercise improves balance while keeping the hips and inner thighs active. Three, two, one, rest. Side knee arm swing. Swing both arms toward one side as you lift the knee on the same side. Lower gently and repeat on the opposite side in a continuous flow. Exhale as you lift the knee and swing. Inhale as you lower. This full body movement strengthens balance while improving hip and waist mobility. Three, two, one, rest. Back kick, chest open. Open both arms wide as you gently kick one leg behind you. Return to center, switch sides, and continue with slow, controlled breathing. Inhale as you open your arms. Exhale as you kick back. Opening the chest and activating the back of the body helps improve posture and balance. Three, two, one, rest. Front step guard. Hold both arms comfortably in front of your chest and step 1 foot forward with control. Return to center and alternate legs while maintaining an upright posture. A steady close to today's practice. Exhale as you step forward. Inhale as you return to center. Forward stepping strengthens the legs while improving stability and coordination. Three, two, one, rest. Thank you for practicing with me today. If these gentle movements helped your balance and coordination feel a little stronger, consider supporting our channel. It helps us keep bringing you Tai Chi practices like this one every day.